What is up, guys? I feel like it has been forever since I made a trucking vlog. So here we are today. Gorgeous rest area in Virginia. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous out. I'm on my break right now, so I'm gonna currently make some lunch. Show you guys what I'm making real quick. Hopefully this GoPro doesn't die. Picked up a new mini fridge. So today we're gonna do some salad, and I am gonna do a few of these shrimp. Hold on a minute. Oh geez, I got Smuckers falling out. Shrimp spring rolls, guys. These things are fire, kind of low sodium, and they're really good, affordable. So we're gonna make some of those. Salad. I'm gonna do a picnic outside today, and we're gonna do a little bit of driving. So a lot of people have been asking me what's been going on. Am I still trucking? Am I still with Roehl? Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys click that like button. Real quick too, I forgot to tell you guys, I went to Trainer Foundations. As you guys can see, I am now officially a certified driver trainer. So I have a student, I'm working on finishing him. He's got like another 2 weeks. They also gave me a new truck, brand new Freightliner Cascadia. As you guys can see, it's a 2023. Had like 1,500 miles on her when I got her. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna get some videos. I'm in a time crunch right now, guys. I don't really, like, I'll film when I get to the Home Depot I'm dropping off at, but I'm in a time crunch right now, so I gotta just run in and get some stuff done. But I have way more trucking videos planned for you. You guys all love them, so definitely stay tuned for that. Guys, we are about to pull up. I am 2 minutes away from the consignee right now. Come here a lot usually. This is right in Winchester. This is one of our main facilities here. So I love this place. A lot of room to back. So hopefully they have an empty here tonight. That would be really nice. And then I am making way right home tomorrow empty, because I have a load I have to pick up Monday for 0800. All right, grab my bill. What's going on, buddy? Dropping a preloaded?
No, right.
And I was here in the last 30 days, I believe.
No, right. What's the last word you like?
Let me grab those. Hang on 1 minute here. These big bolt cutters here. Oh my God, these things are diesel. Look at those veins, bro. Yeah, so every time I come here, this is a high value load. Or I forget what it's called, but it's a lot of money in there. So I'm gonna just take my diesel lock off. This is how I usually have it, lock there and a lock here. And this is expensive product, guys. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Test my strength, bro. Test these gains. All right. Actually, before I cut it, coming up to 1060. I might be able to blindside. No, I'm not going to blindside that. That's very tight. Look at that, guys. Look at how tight that is right there. I'm not blindsiding that. I was going to, but what we're going to do is turn around, line ourselves up for just a regular back. Look at that angle right there. Let's see what we can do here. So I gotta bring this thing over some more. I could give it a little bit of right. I'm gonna give it some right now until I get it close, because I'm loose right now. Straighten back out once it's going in there. Pushing it in there right now. Just keep pushing it. I'm gonna give it hard left right about now, because I'm at my jackknife point. So it's hard left that baby in there. It might be too tight, so I might have to pull forward. I got room. Actually, no, I think that's pretty good. No, it's too tight. See how close it's coming to that trailer? We'll pull straight as much as I can here. Feed it to the left. Looking good, guys, looking good. Go ahead and get this thing dropped real quick. Make sure it's on the concrete, which it is. Do our landing gear first. Oh, I gotta pull my air brake. I didn't set my air brake. I did that before. I had it like where I just pulled it. There we go. My glad hands, and the freaking thing just shot out air at me. So we're gonna hang these up today. I don't even know how I have energy right now. I guess it's because I'm going home. I have like this insane amount of energy, and usually I'm shot, but I got used to it these last few days. On Monday, let me pull my pin too. So on Monday, I had a load. I had to go to Boston, dude. That was crazy. Crazy going to Boston. But I banged out a 1,400 mile run by myself. Pretty happy. I just got 933 miles for this run. So let me show you how many miles I did. That's today. 564. Last night was 368, 453, 528, 293. I finished the week with, and this is only 2 loads, guys. 2 loads. I'm gonna do the math for you right now. So we did 1421 plus 933, 2354, guys. 2 loads. I'll take it. Not even bad. Let me just complete my workflow. Empty it van. I remove my door lock. Yes. Make sure I got my lock. Yep. Nope. And I'm gonna do 13097 complete. Pick empty. We're gonna wait to do that right now. So I gotta go pick this empty first, and then I can complete my workflow basically. But I'm summing up the vlog right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It's been kind of like taking it easy with trucking and really focusing on, now that I have a student, I'll introduce you guys to him. So I'm training him. He comes back Monday. Been hustling with the loads, and when I'm done working, guys, the last thing I really am thinking about is editing a video. I know I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so, and I know you guys like this stuff, so therefore I am going to keep posting this. You know, you guys motivate me to keep posting videos, and lately I've been having this passion for it again. So I want to enjoy this job though, guys. Like, I really like doing this trucking thing, so I don't want to make it seem like it's extra work. So some days that's why I don't really film. Found a nice rest area. Look at this next load I'm running. 1,123 miles, guys. So they're paying me to, oh shit, my bad. So they're paying me to head home. And then I have a live load at 0800 for 522 on Monday. And even though this next run is a brokered load, look at that, guys. 1,123 miles to start the week.